But he's always said, surprisingly, he's always said na natatanggap ko naman lahat ng nangyari. Kasi politika lang naman talaga ito. Lahat. Sabi niya, and I am a politician. I am a politician. And ganyan talaga ang buhay politiko. At, well yun, and then, so ito pa kanina, sabi niya, and then we had a good laugh about it as well. Sabi niya, so pagdating niya, nauna siya. Pagdating ko, sabi niya, bumili kang Coke Zero. So bumili ako ng Coke Zero. And then, ubus na niya yung Coke Zero niya. Sabi niya sa akin, ano ba ang nandoon sa bendo? So sabi ko sa kanya, I think nakakita ako ng Sprite Zero. Sabi niya, tingnan mo nga doon kung merong, alam mo yung mga exotic ba? Exotic na inumin. Sabi ko, I'm sure merong exotic doon pero hindi zero. It's not for diabetics. And then sabi niya, well, sige, check mo. So, when I went there, hindi ko alam, sabi ko sa kanya, you're the luckiest person in this unit today, sabi ko sa kanya. Because I saw a Fanta Zero na exotic flavor. Meron sa grocery, siguro, I guess.
Yeah, there is.
Diba? It's orange color.
Yes, it's my favorite.
So,
No sugar.
yes. Sa Fanta Zero, exotic flavor. Pagbalik ko sa kanya, sabi ko, you're the luckiest. He asked for exotic. And so he tried it and said, no, it's good. Sabi niya, it's good. And then I wanted me to try it. Sabi ko, ayoko na because I had Pepsi and I don't want hyperacidity tonight. And then he said, just take a sip. So when I took a sip, sabi ko, I don't like this. This is truly exotic. You don't know what it is.